Hello, everybody. I wanted to thank you for your efforts so far this weekend. I know that there are still a few more essays to come in, and I hope it goes all right for you. I haven't had any questions, probably just the gut punch of, okay, I got to do this and get this turned in. So you can do it. I'm sure it's been pretty wild for those of you who are actually at school. Been a hard week and a half for me at the high school, just tired, and sometimes my energy level and emotional level is way low, and sometimes I'm like, okay, we can do this. So keep it up. I'm here for you if you need some help or have some thoughts to give me, or ideas, or maybe just tell me a story about kittens. I don't know. I wanted to talk to you about the synthesis. I appreciate your effort there and interacting with each other. I do have Jude's here. It's just one that I thought was done well, and I wanted to talk about synthesis and some ways that this is a really good example, and then what could we do to go to the next level. And what I found a lot of people doing was summarizing the two and then maybe writing a sentence or two about what ties them together. And that starts to become a compare and contrast essay. And what we would really need to do is decide what ties them together and talk about that theme, and then reference pieces from the texts and incorporate it into the essay. So I appreciate Jude's topic sentence here. Although the essays were written thousands of miles apart, Lynda Barry's The Sanctuary of School and Sonia Sotomayor's My Beloved World could have been written in the same room of an unhappy house. Capture the titles, the themes, and you give us a picture. You show us that it's coming from Seattle and Brooklyn. Excellent thesis statement or topic sentence for this synthesis. And then we see those themes discussed, and then kind of an internalization in the last paragraph. So very good. And again, this is everybody just taking a stab at it. And so hopefully you get to learn with feedback here. So don't be frustrated that I didn't choose yours, or you feel like I'm knocking yours or over elevating Jude's. Maybe there's something here that you did that you're like, oh, I just threw that together. I got lucky, maybe. But one of the things I would do to improve this is to give actual quotes, right? This is where you take text evidence and put it into the paper and then use citations. So where do we see proof that Barry found the love that she was lacking? And this is where you would incorporate something such as she started to cry when she felt safe around her teacher, maybe, or she was able to go to the corner and draw. What's the proof that says she found the love, right? And what is it about Sotomayor that says, well, she internalized her guilt? She just internalized it and drove. There's a lot of binaries in Sotomayor's writing, and the dad who struggles, but the dad who tries really hard. And there's the image of him shaking, right? And she's the one who's crying, and he's the one who's struggling. And, or she's the one who feels guilty, right? Where could you put that into the synthesis to make it a 100%? Wow, that was amazing. So consider where you were. Did you write really a summary and then try and tie it together? Did you create a thesis that pulls all of it together? And did you incorporate a quote or two to strengthen and give you evidence for what you're trying to make a point of? All right. That's what this was about, is learning. And I hope you've got a better idea of how to do a synthesis in the future. And I don't have any good exit strategy, so I'm just going to say bye.